Welcome to Let's Data Science, the complete launchpad for anyone building a career in data and AI. 6 powerful tools, 1 unified platform. Start with news. Live briefings researched across hundreds of sources and ranked by relevance. Daily and weekly audio briefings cover the most important stories. Practice on more than 1,500 SQL and Python data science problems, modeled after real production data. Open a question, read the problem, write your solution, run it against the sample, then submit to validate. Then visualize. The Code Visualizer, first of its kind in the industry, shows every step of how your code transforms the data on real production datasets. And the AI Mentor guides you. Socratic mode for learning, interview mode for quick answers. And the blog. 200+ in-depth articles across 6 categories, each with architectural diagrams, latex math, audio narration, and interactive Python playgrounds right inside the article. Master concepts with interactive courses, animated lessons, in-browser coding, and knowledge checks, SQL, Python, statistics, all from the ground up. 8 curated career paths, from data analyst to AI engineer, with real compensation data, stage-by-stage milestones, and the exact skills top companies hire for. And when the interview's tomorrow, quick recall. 490+ spaced repetition cards across SQL, Python, stats, ML, and LLMs. Last-minute prep that actually works. Everything you need. One platform. Founding members pay just $3.99 a month, less than Data Lemur, StrataScratch, or LeetCode. Only 500 spots. Let's Data Science.